What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a gig on Fiverr. So first off, head over to Google and type in Fiverr. If you are new, you can just simply sign in, or if you have already created an account, just simply log in and just click on create new gig. After that, you will be redirected to this page. So first off, type in your personal info. After that, it will ask you for your personal info like your occupations, your skills, your education, certification, and personal website if you have. So as you can see, I have added my education, my skills, and my occupation. Now I'll just simply add my certification or my personal website. After this, it will ask for your account security to uh, just secure your email and phone number. Then simply click on continue and then click on create a gig. So here are some of these steps to create a gig. First off is the overview. Second is the pricing you set for your gig. Third is the description and frequently asked questions about your gig. Fourth are the requirements. Fifth is the gallery where you showcase your work. And sixth is for publishing your gig. So first off, write a gig title. So I have written this as a title, and category I'll select as writing, and subcategory I'll just select as articles and blog posts. Service type I will select as bulk articles. Now this asks for my language. So here I have added all these, and I'll just simply now enter some keywords like content, SEO, writing. So here I have written 5 tags and I'll just click on save and continue. The 5 tags are written. I'll just click on save and continue. Now I'll just set my pricing. So as you can see, I have described my 3 types of packages, the delivery time and everything, the pricing and the total price after licensed images. I'll just click on save and continue. Now here it asks for description about your gig. So just briefly describe your gig. Now after this, you just add your requirements. These optional questions will be added for all the buyers. If you want to add, you can add a new question. So you have minimum at least have to add one requirement of yours. I have written what type of content are you looking for, and I'll just get the answer in the form of free text. And I'll just simply click on add and save and continue. After this, here you just add some of your images so that the customer or your client will have an easy trust when buying services from you. It encourages the buyers to choose your gigs by featuring a variety of your work. You can just add your work's PDF or you can just showcase your work by video or photo. After this is the last step, and here you will be publishing your gig. From here, it will verify your phone number, and after writing your phone number, just enter the verification code that is sent to your phone number. After that, your gig will be successfully created. That was all for the video. Thank you for watching.